Good morning, Letterlanders. Mrs. Knippenberg here again with another Letterland lesson. We have been working really hard on our blends, and I know that you've been finding lots of different kinds of blends in books and magazines, maybe even around your house. Well, today we're going to continue and do our last lesson about blends. So far we've learned about S blends, L blends, and today we're going to learn about R blends. So today's objective is I can find and read words with the R blends. Well, let's find out what R blends are. Are you ready? What are R blends? R blends are kind of like L blends, where the R comes second in every blend. It starts with one consonant followed by an R, just like the Letterlanders that we see right here. Talking Tess and Red Robot say tur. Bouncy Ben and Red Robot say brr. Clever Cat and Red Robot say cur. Do you notice which character is in every blend? Red Robot. Dippy Duck and Red Robot say durr. Firefighter Fred and Red Robot say fur. And Golden Girl and Red Robot say grr. And finally, Peter Puppy and Robot say purr, like in the word practice. And so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to practice our R blends. But before we do that, I thought one of our favorite YouTube video people, Jack Hartman, could help us today with an R blend video. So let's watch his video first, and then we're going to practice together. I'll kind of make it bigger too. Sometimes we have to wait for the little
really
commercial
want your
to
kids
be done.
watching videos, but it can have
And there we go.
Jack Cartman! Kids Music Channel!
What is a blend? What is a blend? Let's learn together. What is a blend? A blend is two letters that begin words, but each letter sound can be heard. Like B says B, R says R. Blend them together and you get brr. Like in brain, brave, bring, breeze. A blend is two letters that begin words, but each letter sound can be heard. Like C says K, R says R. Blend them together and you get cur. Like in cracker, crayon, crop, cream. A blend is two letters that begin words, but each letter sound can be heard. Like D says D, R says R. Blend them together and you get der. Like in dragon, dream, dress, drum. A blend is two letters that begin words, but each letter sound can be heard. Like F says F, R says R. Blend them together and you get fur. Like in freeze, fresh, frog, fruit. What is a blend? What is a blend? Let's learn together. What is a blend?
And we're going to go ahead and stop our video right there. So now that we know a little bit more about blends, you can help practice with me. So today, our activity that we're going to try together, and I'm going to kind of move this over a little bit so you guys can see everything. There we go. And I'm going to move my face right over here. That's kind of fun. If we're at school, I can just move my body, but when we're on the computer, I have to move my little face. All right, we're going to try together by writing a blend to spell a word that matches the picture. Now remember, R blends all have an R in them, but they have another consonant that comes first. So I'm going to kind of look at the picture. I'm going to read the ending part, and we're going to think of which blend would fit best here. All right, so now we're going to do this part together. I'm going to get my pen ready, and let's look at the first picture. The girl is sitting on her desk smiling, but smile has an S blend, and we're doing R blends today. So another word that means smile is grin, and I can see an in. We just need to put the blend that comes before in. Listen, grin, grr. Can you think which Letterlanders say grrr together? Golden Girl and Red Robot. So I'm going to write a G and an R. Oops, I'm going to fix my G a little bit there. And an R to write grin. All right, now I'm going to go to this one. Here I see a hose that has some water coming out. It's a drip, drip. I see ip. Now I need to put the beginning. Dur, dur. If you said Dippy Duck and Red Robot, you're right. And remember, you can look over at the R blends chart over here to help us. All right, here we have the outside of the pizza. That's my favorite part to eat. It rhymes with ust. I think it's crust. Let's look at the blends. Listen. Cur, cur. Do you hear Clever Cat and Red Robot? I do, so I'm going to write C-R. All right, next we have a printer that makes copies of paper, and we're going to print. I see int, but I need to put the blend that says purr, purr, and I can kind of feel it on my mouth, the p, Peter, Puppy, and Red Robot. So I'm going to write P and R. Beautiful. Then we have our frog. I see og, fur, fur. Oh, I can also feel the f when I say frog. The F and R. And then last one, we have, a girl who's brushing her teeth. I see ush. So this word must be brush. Burr, burr. Bouncy Ben and Red Robot. I'm going to write a B and an R. Great job helping me with our R blends today. Now we're going to go to the last part that tells what your job is. So now I'm going to move my little face over here so you can see everything. Your turn today is just like we practiced with the S and the L blends. And I know it's the same activity, but this is making you a really good reader by practicing in your notebook. So you're going to need a notebook or a piece of paper. You can make this chart in your notebook. You can write a BR and leave some space. A CR, you could draw some lines to make columns. Then your job is to get a couple books or a magazine or even a newspaper, or look around your house. See how many R blend words you can find and write them next to the correct blend. So if you find a BR word, put it here. And remember, blends don't always come at the beginning of the word. Sometimes it could be in the middle of a word too. Then, after you write your list of words, read your list of words. Because remember, our goal today was read and write them. Challenge. If you need a challenge today, pick a few words from your list and write a sentence with the word. For example, if I found the word drink, I could say, I needed a drink of water after playing outside. Or you could make a book of R blends. You could staple a whole bunch of pieces of paper. I know some of you love to make books. And then you could read it to your family. Or you could even write a poem using R blends, since we've been learning about poetry. So whatever you do with your R blends, have fun and go be word readers. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.